The nationwide immigrant enforcement operation will center around a number of major urban areas, including New York, Miami, and Los Angeles. One mayor says there were unsuccessful raids in his city on Saturday. The main targets will be Central American families who have been issued final deportation orders but remain illegally in the country. The operation will target 2,000 people. The raids are similar to those carried out across the country since 2003. But this one is different, as it is part of President Donald Trump's plan to deport millions of people who are living in the nation illegally. Mayors of cities like New York, San Francisco, and Washington, D.C. voiced their opposition to the raids and promised to aid all undocumented migrants. Immigration activists say the raids could break apart families, those where some are legal residents and others are marked for deportation.
I was deported for 3 years, from 2013 to 2016. I know what it means to be separated from my family. From the first day I was deported, I felt what it means to hit bottom.
The raids will be carried out by the Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, known as ICE. Those arrested will be deported back to their home countries. A number of hotel chains have said they will not let their buildings be used as temporary detention centers for those arrested before they are transferred to ICE holding facilities and eventually deported. Immigration has become one of the central conflicts in American politics. This comes as the country wrestles with a surge in immigrants coming from Central America. Thousands of these immigrants are being held in detention centers along the southern border that critics call inhumane living conditions. Men and women there complain of overcrowding, a lack of drinking water, and food. The border agency insists that the detainees are treated well. Republican and Democrat lawmakers insist immigration is in urgent need of reform, given that it is estimated there are millions of undocumented migrants living in the United States. Toby Muse, CGTN, Washington.